In industrial plants, warehouses, and commercial buildings, fire protection cannot be an afterthought. Ideal fire protection helps safeguard the spaces where teams work, equipment runs, and operations never stop. From sprinkler lines and standpipes to alarms, panels, and suppression equipment, every system needs careful attention. Ideal fire protection keeps critical components inspected, tested, and ready to respond. The best protection fits into the rhythm of the building. Ideal fire protection works around active operations, helping facilities stay protected without losing momentum on the floor. Real confidence comes from knowing every level of the property is covered, from the equipment room to the warehouse ceiling, to the front entrance where people walk in every day. When your building supports people, inventory, equipment, and daily operations, protection has to be done right. Trust Ideal Fire Protection to help protect what matters most. Visit idealfireprotection.com